In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a Gimkit map. The first thing that you want to do is to simply log in your account on your Gimkit. It doesn't matter whether you're using a student account or a school account. Just open up your account's dashboard, and from here, this is going to be my student dashboard, but you simply want to look for the creative options on your account. Inside this page, you then have the option to create new maps by clicking on the create new maps button. Now, if you're a free to play or if you are a free account, you can only use 3 slots of your maps. So you have to keep in mind when creating a new one. In here, you then have to name your map to whatever you want to. You can then select if you want your map to be top down or platformer. And from there, you have successfully created your map on Gimkit. Now to add some stuff, just click on the add button, and then it should be as easy as placing your items the way you like it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.